Congratulations on your new RV. Thank you for choosing Worldwide, and today we'll be going over the benefits of a lithium battery. Our RVs will come standardly equipped with lead acid batteries, and while these do work for some more basic camping, if you want to upgrade your lifespan of your batteries, upgrade to lithium. While the average lead acid only lasts around 30 months in Arizona, most lithium batteries that are properly maintained last up to 10 years. So a lithium battery is much like your phone, where when your phone's at 20%, you still have the full capabilities. Lead acids are not like that. When you get lower power, you have less capabilities. Lead acid batteries are only able to be discharged to 60%. Anywhere below, and you're going to have an even shorter battery lifespan. While lithiums are rated to be discharged down to 10%, so you get almost double the capabilities. And here at Worldwide, with your standard lead acid, if you want to switch it out for a lithium, we will offer you a discount on that lithium when switching out that battery, and contact your camping advisor if you're interested in doing that. Thank you for choosing Worldwide RV, and happy camping.